Let us see the third one. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in the figure 12.1. Find the total area of the paper used. Now you can see in the figure that has been given in the textbook, in between the shapes they have written some Roman letters. That means they are the parts of the plate. Part 1, that is the first, the top triangle, you can see over there. Part 2 is the central rectangular shape. Part 3 is the lower trapezium. Part 4 and part 5 are the left and the right wings. Right? We will find out the area of these shapes, these parts individually, and then at the end we shall simply add them. બધાને આપણે છેલ્લે એડ કરી દઈશું, રાઈટ? એટલે આપણે પાર્ટ વાઇઝ બધા અલગ અલગ જે શેપ્સ છે, પહેલું ટ્રાયેંગલ, બીજું રેક્ટેંગલ, ત્રીજું ટ્રેપેઝિયમ, ફોર્થ અને ફિફ્થ બંને રાઈટ ટ્રાયેંગલ્સ છે, રાઈટ? ફોર્થ અને ફિફ્થ બંને રાઈટ ટ્રાયેંગલ છે. બધાના આપણે એરિયાસ અલગ અલગ ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ અને પછી છેલ્લે બધાને એડ કરી દઈશું. તો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ ફોર part 1. What is part 1?
Triangle.
Or triangle. It is an isosceles one. With this side given 5 centimeter. This will also be 5 centimeter. And you can see that this is 1 centimeter written at the bottom of part 2. Part 2 ના bottom ઉપર છે 1 centimeter એવું લખેલું છે, right? So this will be 1 centimeter. Okay, right? So we need to find out the area of this. How shall we find out the area of this? Heron's formula. Heron's formula we find the area. So here let A equal to B equal to 5 centimeter and C is equals to 1 centimeter. Therefore, S, what is S? A plus B plus C upon 2, which is 11 upon 2. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2 centimeter. Don't convert this in the form of decimals. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. Now, area. Area of part 1. This can be found out using the Heron's formula, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equals to square root 11 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 5 into 11 by 2 minus 5 into 11 by 2 minus 1. What would be 11 by 2 minus 5? 1 by 2? See, I'll find it out like this. 11 by 2 minus 5. Cross multiply. 11 minus 5 into 2, 10 upon 2. That is 1 by 2. Is that thing okay? And I need to also find out 11 by 2 minus 1. That would be 11 minus 2 by 2. That would be 9 by 2. So that would be 9 by 2. This would be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Which is square root of 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. Do I need to repeat this again? How this is 1 by 2 and 9 by 2? We already have it. So let us factorize. So that is 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 into 3 by 2. Is that thing okay with you? 3 into 3, that is 9 upon 2. See, in the denominators we are having 2 pairs of 2. In the numerator I am having a pair of 3. Root 11 will be left out over there. So 3 upon 2 into 2 root 11. Yes or no? That is 3 root 11 upon 4. 2 2's 4. 3 upon 4 root 11. Get me the value, approximate value of root 11 quickly. up to 2 decimals. You know it right now. હવે તમને આવડી ગયું ને રૂટ 11 આપણે કેવી રીતે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. So you'll get me the value of root 11 over there. Then 3.31 approx. 3.31 approx. Already done it over there, right? So that would be equals to 3 into 3.31 upon 4. Multiply this. It would be 9.93. This would be 9.93 divided by 4 again. 4 2s 8. 1.9. Put a decimal. 4 4s 60. 33. 4 8s 32. 1. Make it a 0 over there. 4 2s 8. The remainder would be 2. And 0 2. That is equals to 2.4825 centimeter square. This would be the answer in approx. This is the area of the first part. This would be the area of the first part. 2.4825 approximately. Ready? Sure. Let us get for the second part. 4 part 2. What is part 2? A rectangle? Yes or no? The body of the plane. This is given 1 centimeter. What is this given? 6.5 centimeter. Yes or no? What is the area of a rectangle? 10 centimeter. So area of part 2, that would be length multiplied by breadth, that is 6.5 into 1, which is 6.5 centimeter. Don't write approx here because we will get the perfect value over here. This was the first part, this is the second part. Done? Most important is the third part. For part, what is the third part? A trapezium. What is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral which has a pair of parallel sides and a pair of intersecting and non-parallel sides. These two are the non-parallel sides. The opposite ones are the parallel sides. Ready? What you are given? This as 1. This is 2 centimeter they have given. I need to draw a line somewhat like this. Why is this drawn here? To find out the area. Do you know how to find out the area of a trapezium? Sorry, 2 right angles and it is not a square. It would be a rectangle. This is 1. This is 1. What would be this much? ऊपर 1 છે તો આ પણ 1 સેન્ટીમીટર જોઈએ ને. આ ટોટલ કેટલું છે? 2 સેન્ટીમીટર. આ કેટલું હશે? 0.5 on both sides? Yes or no? 0.5 This is also 0.5. Done? Two right angles. But here we don't have the height here. અહીંયા height છે આપણી પાસે. Height તો છે. તો શું કરવાનું? By Pythagoras, right? But એની કરતા હું તમને ડાયરેક્ટ એરિયા ઓફ ટ્રેપેઝિયમ ની ફોર્મ્યુલા આપું તો ચાલશે ને? Right? ચલો. Let us area of a trapezium, which is part is equals to half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by the height. Sum of parallel sides એટલે કે 1 અને 2 બે સાઇડ જે પેરેલલ છે એ બેને એડ કરી દો એમાં આ હાઈટ કઈ હાઈટ આ હાઈટ મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો અને એને ડિવાઇડ બાય 2 કરો એટલે તમને ટ્રેપેઝિયમ નો એરિયા મળી જશે ડાયરેક્ટ બે ટ્રાયેંગલ ને રેક્ટેંગલ ને બધું ભેગું કરો અને પછી ખીચડી કરો એની બદલે સિમ્પલ ડાયરેક્ટલી આપણને આ મળી જશે આમાં એક વસ્તુ નથી હાઈટ ફાઇન્ડ કરીને અલગથી આપણે પછી ખાલી આ ફોર્મ્યુલામાં મૂકવાનું જ રહેશે ને હા કે ના અમારી આ ટ્રાયેંગલ કાઢી નેમ ઇટ એઝ P Q R where this is 90 right so I shall take up this triangle આ આપ્યું છે 1 આ આપ્યું છે 0.5 આ આપ્યું છે 90 which is P and આપણે જોઈએ છે શું PQ એટલે કે હાઈટ હવે અહીં પાયથાગોરસ થિયરમ એપ્લાય કરાય કે ન કરાય yes or no yes in triangle PQR angle Q is equals to 90 degrees so PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR square આપણે જોઈએ છે શું PQ square find કરતા આવડશે therefore PQ square plus 0.5 square is equals to 1 square. What is 1 square? 0.5 square. PQ square equals to 1 minus 0.25. 0.5 નો સ્ક્વેર 0.25 થાય ને હા કે ના એટલે ઓલી સાઈડ જવા દો તો માઈનસ થઈ જશે what is 1 minus 0.25 0.75 and PQ equals to square root of 0.75 square root of 0.75 ready can I write the 0.75 as 0.25 into 3 yes or no yes. 0.75 is 0.25 into 3 what is square root of 0.25 what is remaining what is square root of 3 right 1.73 square root of 3 is 1.7 get me the answer of 0.5 into 1.73 get me the answer 0.865 so we got the height here I'll get the height as 0.865 centimeter do I need to perform those steps over here but will you be able to write it down from there directly in continuation so on solving this I shall get PQ equals to 0.865 centimeter 0.865 centimeters. That's nice feeling sleep. And we are moving. And we are seeing that right now. You get how to get this 0.865? Good. Sure. So that is 1 upon 2 into 1 plus 2 into 0.865. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 into 0.865 divided by 2. Get me the answer. Alright. 1 upon 2 into 3 into 0.865. You can divide the 3 by 2 first of all. That would be 1.5. Multiply 1.5 by 0.865. Sorry, 1 point. The final answer? 1.975 centimeter. What is this? The area of the third part. That radiation. Area of the third part. Now let us go for the fourth one. 4 part 4 and 5 together. We are having the wings like this. I've drawn only the first wing. That means the right side one is the fifth part. A wing a draw करूँगा. Its is attached is 1.5 centimeter. Its height is 6 centimeter. आगे कितनी wings છે? બે બાજુ એક એક. Right? तो आज figure છે 4 અને 5th બની. આ figure છે. ચાલશે? So that is 4th and 5th together. Area of part 4. 4 છે. Which is half base height. A triangle है आम छू. तो आ base आ height. जो हम लोग करो तो ऊंधा से छू. तो आ base અને આ height. Spider height. That is 1 upon 2 into 1.5 into 6. 2 into 3, 6 and 3 into 1.5, 4.5 centimeter square. This is the area of only one wing. Therefore, total area of both parts 4 and 5 is equals to 2 multiplied by 4.5, which is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeters. Then, okay, area of first part, second part, third part, and 4, 5 together. Therefore, total area of the wing, that is 2.4825 plus 6.5 plus 1.2975 plus 9. Add everything. पहला तो जो ना बेज ऐड करो 2.4825 1.2975. This would be 0 0 1 9 plus 9 18 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 and 3.78. So we got 3.7 plus 6.5 plus 9, that would be 8 12 10 plus 9 19.28. Give me a check. Approx. It would be okay with us. 19.28, which can approximately written as 19.4 centimeters because it happens sometimes that here we considered this root 11 as 3.31. They might have considered as 3.32, making round figures, significant figures, right? They might have considered here it as 3.32. तो અહીંયા થોડો ડિફરન્સ આવે. એ જ રીતના અહીંયા પણ થોડો ડિફરન્સ આવે ને, જે આપણે 0.75 sorry 0.75 નો સ્ક્વેર રૂટ માં જ્યારે √3 કન્સિડર કર્યું 1.73, they might have considered it as 1.74. Right? It happens. It is acceptable, but this is not acceptable. 19.28 ની બદલે તમને પછી 9.28, 10.28, you must not get a vast difference over there. After the decimal point, if it varies with 1 or 2 decimals, that means 1 or 2 points, then it is root. This 19.28 can be approximately written as 19.4 centimeter square. Difference કેટલો છે? 0.12 નો 0.12 centimeter. 0.12 centimeter એટલે 1 mm cube. 0.1 centimeter, that means 1 mm. Yes or no? ચાલે હવે 1 mm. Yes? Where 9? 7 plus 5? 5 plus 5 10 નો થાય? અરે ભૂલા. હાલે બસ. હેપી? રેડી ને? કે ઉપર 1 નો કરે. 5 ને 5 તો કે 0. એકડો કે સ્ટોપ.